In this video, we have been given that AB is equal to CD and angle ABC is 80 degrees. Angle CAD is 40 degrees and angle ACB is theta. Then we have to find theta. So the first method, in triangle ACD, it is ACD. This angle is 40 degrees. This angle is theta. So this angle, it will be 40 degrees plus theta. This angle, it will be 40 degrees plus theta. And we have AB is equal to CD. Suppose X. If AB is X, then CD, it will be also X. And now, in any triangle ABC, if BC is A, AC is B, and AB is C, then A over sin A, it is equal to B over sin B, it is equal to C over sin C. So from here, we can get A over B is equal to sin A over sin B. And here, in triangle ABD, X over AD, X over AD, it will be equal to sin 40 degrees plus theta, 40 degrees plus theta over sin 80 degrees. And in triangle ACD, X over AD, X over AD, it will be equal to sin 40 degrees, sin 40 degrees over sin theta. So from these two equations, we can say that sin 40 degrees plus theta over sin 80 degrees, it will be equal to sin 40 degrees over sin theta. And now, if we cross multiply, then sin 40 degrees plus theta times sin theta, it will be equal to sin 80 degrees times sin 40 degrees. So 2 times sin 40 degrees plus theta times sin theta, it will be equal to 2 times sine 80 degrees times sine 40 degrees. And now 2 sine A sine B, it is equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So 2 times sine 40 degrees plus theta times sine theta, it will be cos 40 degrees plus theta minus cos 40 degrees plus theta. It is equal to 2 times sine 80 degrees times sine 40 degrees. It will be cos 80 degrees minus 40 degrees minus cos 80 degrees plus 40 degrees. And theta will get cancelled. So it is cos 40 degrees minus cos 40 degrees plus 2 theta is equal to cos 40 degrees minus cos 120 degrees. And cos 40 degrees will get cancelled. So minus times cos 40 degrees plus 2 theta, it is equal to minus cos 120 degrees. And minus will get cancelled. So cos 40 degrees plus 2 theta, it is equal to cos 120 degrees. So 40 degrees plus 2 theta, it will be 120 degrees. 40 degrees plus 2 theta, it will be 120 degrees. And 2 theta, it will be 80 degrees. So theta, it is 80 degrees over 2, that will be 40 degrees. So theta, it is 40 degrees. And the second method, this angle, it will be 40 degrees plus theta. It is 40 degrees plus theta. And if we extend AD to suppose E, then angle ADB, it will be equal to angle CDE, that are opposite angles. So this angle, it will be also 40 degrees plus theta. And suppose angle CED, it is 40 degrees plus theta. It is our construction. This angle, it is 40 degrees plus theta. And now in triangle CDE, it is CDE. These two angles are equal, that is 40 degrees plus theta. That means CD, it will be equal to CE. CD, it will be equal to CE. And this angle, it will be 180 degrees minus 40 degrees plus theta minus 40 degrees plus theta, and it is 180 degrees minus 40 degrees minus theta minus 40 degrees minus theta, and it is 180 degrees minus 80 degrees minus 2 theta. That will be 100 degrees minus 2 theta. This angle, it is 100 degrees minus 2 theta. So this angle, it will be 100 degrees minus 2 theta plus theta. That will be 100 degrees minus theta. It is 100 degrees minus theta. And now in triangle ABC, it is A, B, C. This angle is 80 degrees. This angle is theta. So this angle, it will be 180 degrees minus 80 degrees minus theta. That will be 100 degrees minus theta. This angle, it is 100 degrees minus theta. And now in triangle BAC and triangle ECA, we have BA is equal to EC and angle BAC, it is equal to angle ECA, that is 100 degrees minus theta, and AC, it is equal to CA. So triangle BAC, it will be congruent to triangle ECA. Hence angle BCA, it will be equal to angle EAC, and angle BCA is theta, it is equal to angle EAC is 40 degrees. So theta, it is 40 degrees.